who did not let an injured man be evacuated and let him bleed out till he died. Who are these people?
Padmaja, it is really, really sad that on Republic Day, such things are being witnessed by the entire country. As far as this young man is concerned, whether he was on this side or that is not the point.
That is the point.
Lost, and it's a young.
That is the point.
And it is a young.
He was allowed to die. The people who allowed him to die, who are the people?
I agree to what you're saying. I agree to what you're saying. And it is really sad that we had to lose a young man, because after all, they are all our brothers and sisters who are out there.
Then, ma'am, are you now assuring that the party you support, the Congress party, is going to cease to back these people, lionizing them, giving them a free pass with whatever they do, running around, creating anarchy, only because everything they do is under the blanket of Annadatta?
Look, Padmaja, as far as the farmers are concerned, we must not forget that for 60 odd days, they've been sitting. And the farmers who marched on the designated routes are the farmers that we are talking about.
No.
We condemn any kind of violence.
You cannot conveniently wash your hands off the inconvenient
I will give you
people who are as much a part of this, and have always been a part of this. Let's be very clear. When
absolutely not. As far as these
yes they are. Yes they are.
I stand with every single farmer.
Yes they are. And if they are not a part, then why were they allowed to be a part of this tractor contingent?
Yes,
the farmer leaders allowed them to become a part of this contingent.
Padmaja, the ones who were marching on the designated routes returned to their positions also. You are not showing those visuals. The ones who marched there and returned back and are still sitting there. They are the ones who have been sitting there for the last 62 days. But what has happened today is condemnable, and you have already spoken about Deep Sidhu,
Madam,
so I'm not going there.
Madam, the logic that you have just employed is as laughable as saying that, the Pakistani army is a large one, but not all of it engages in ceasefire violation. So most of it is good. There is only one section which engages in ceasefire violation. So let's disregard them. A large part of them are actually very peaceful for most of the day, which is not to say that you're comparing it to that at all. But this is just a very, very strange logic that you're offering. It is laughable.
No, not at all.
Please do not do that.
That you say that. But why am I saying that? What you've been asking the farmers and the leaders who are sitting over here again and again is, why they have not taken responsibility for those farmers, so-called farmers, who were infiltrators. Let me tell you that Delhi police.
How do you differentiate between farmers and infiltrators? How do you differentiate between farmers and infiltrators?
So-called infiltrators like Deep Sidhu. I'm talking about those.
One Deep Sidhu. Let me show you at Mukarba Chowk. This one Deep Sidhu has become this one straw man that you hang everything on this Deep Sidhu. Let me say again, like I said at the outset, arrest this Deep Sidhu. Now my point is, a lady ACP was assaulted at Mukarba Chowk. Did Deep Sidhu assault her? There were 3 tractors which were running around all of ITO for a good 10 minutes. Was Deep Sidhu driving all of those 3 tractors? There were people who were beating policemen outside the Red Fort. Was Deep Sidhu in the tractors and beating those policemen outside the Red Fort? This one Deep Sidhu apparently is the root of all maladies today in Delhi.
I am talking about all the infiltrators that the BJP has been talking about. The BJP has come up with this.
The BJP's infiltrators. Tata, what do you make of this?
Mr. Singh, certainly I would like to ask you, आप कह रहे हैं कि सरकार जो है वो जिम्मेदार नहीं है, तो जिम्मेदार कौन है? अगर आपको शासन करना नहीं आता तो आप सत्ता छोड़ दीजिए।
वो सब किसान नेता जिन्होंने वहां पर गारंटी दी थी, जिन्होंने साइन किए थे 37 क्लॉजेस पे, एक ट्रैक्टर में 5 लोग आएंगे, एक ट्रैक्टर में 5 लोग आएंगे, हम गिनती के ट्रैक्टर लाएंगे, हम एक सिस्टम से चलेंगे, हम जो रास्ता आप बता रहे हो उस रास्ते पे चलेंगे। जिम्मेवार वो लोग हैं, जिम्मेवार वो लोग हैं जो उनको खा रहे थे, जिम्मेवार वो लोग हैं जो उनको पैसे दे रहे हैं, जिम्मेवार वो लोग हैं जो हम जब NIA का नोटिस भेज रहे हैं।
I think we are at that tipping point where people need to be identified and they need to be held to account for what they have said when they never either meant it or they could not implement it. And I now want infiltrators. Deep Sidhu and company.
Ma'am, Padmaja, please show her the video from Gazipur in the morning, which started at 8 o'clock. Please show her the videos from the Singhu border, which diverted towards the Red Fort. Please show her the video of all those farmers who came to ITO and then led the protest to the Red Fort. Please show the videos. And please show how the cat was pushing them toward Delhi at 8 o'clock, when it was clearly decided that the movement will start only after 12 o'clock.
Show the videos. Mr. Singh, you're supposed to show
Yes,
the videos.
they are on record. I'm saying it is on record, man. I'm saying what I'm saying on record.
Delhi government.
I'm saying on record.
The central government.
I'm saying on record that from Gazipur border, the people were sent to ITO and Red Fort. From Singhu border, people were sent to ITO and Red Fort. It was all pre-planned. It was pre-planned by certain section of farmers and an hoax and a cover was created.
Sujata Paul, I will show you videos. Now let us show